What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as QQQ and the S&P 500. So guys, it seems like the volume from earlier this week has slowly died off. I'm talking about yesterday and maybe on Friday here. You can start to see that we are slowly starting to consolidate. Maybe for a good reason, maybe for a bad reason. We're going to have to discuss it here because as of right now, we're not looking too hot come Tuesday morning. Now, it's weird because it's currently 7:30 a.m. at the time I'm recording this video, but it's 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the markets are already open for today, and it seems like we are rejecting quite nicely off a very solid support, which we're going to have to look at here. But we're going to look at XRP, which inside its beautiful descending broadening wedge, as it slowly starts to consolidate down, we did hit resistance on Saturday, and since then we've kind of consolidated back down, but we are being held up by this moving average support, this price floor here, which will hopefully eventually allow us to rebound like our original plan was yesterday, which we'll go over in a second with you. But we're also going to be looking at Solana and these other cryptos, which are going to have to adjust some charts kind of to include this current market movements here. I kind of see what exactly we're doing and maybe how we can continue to kind of get this to work here. Like, are we looking at something like this? Is this a possibility? Like, are we still in a downtrend here? Or did we officially break out of it? That's kind of the question here that we're going to have to go over. But aside from that, you can see in yesterday's episode, we're basically discussing that it really could come down to only being up from here. Yesterday, we made it clear that we did rebound off a bottom support on like QQQ and the stock market, and how it could very well influence these other cryptocurrencies to do the same thing, which would be excellent if you ask me. Seeing all these cryptos, XRP, so on and so forth, hit bottom like we did, and now, only up from here, starting to move up. And I'll explain more with my thoughts and theories about this later on in today's video. But with that being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis here, remember, I am obviously not in my typical room office to make these videos. I am away on travel, but I will be back shortly. And when I am, in less than a week, I will have everything back to normal upload time, normal schedule, so on and so forth from there. But for the time being, we're going to have to just make do with the weird time difference and everything that's going on, the weird background, the quality, so on and so forth. But as you guys can see, the winner from last week, which I think you guys should know by now, and I just realized they spelled Crypto TV wrong. That's excellent. But you can see here, this is the winner from last week. $300 USDT bonus will be sent to this winner right here. End date is April 1st for you guys to take advantage of the trading competition that's going on right now within Bydfi. As you guys know, they're currently giving away $300 weekly in ROI rewards. So whoever has the highest return on investment within each week will get a $300 bonus deposit deposited into their account here. And then on top of that, they are going to be giving away $300 in trading volume, 500, 300, and 200 in ROI ranking come April 1st. Whoever has the most in first, second, and third place will be getting some free bonus cryptocurrency as well. But we'll talk about Bydfi later on in today's episode. You can see, diving into things here, the coin market cap is consolidating. We're down a bit here, and you can see we're slowly starting to consolidate back to where we had originally started XRP. BNB is on the up and up. Solana is consolidating back down. Doge is kind of consolidating. A lot of these cryptocurrencies really are floating sideways at the moment, aside from BNB, which is like rallying up higher, which is crazy. But aside from that, the other cryptocurrencies are pretty much just consolidating. And if you look at XRP, like if we didn't look at these other cryptocurrencies, XRP still looks well within its descending broadening wedge, as you can see here. We haven't really broken out of it yet or shown any sort of, confirmation breakout outside of its fractal, like outside of the formation here. I just want to pull up to show you a reference here. Like descending broadening wedges typically look like this in this lower high, lower low pattern. And you can see we eventually breach top price ceiling and rally through kind of this confirmation here. And then we get followed by a rally to target 2 point on the up and up. But we do have to see a lower high, lower low pattern first, and then we get that confirmation daily candle above, and then we can see that rally. So with XRP, you can see we haven't done anything out of the ordinary just yet. Rally up, consolidation, lower highs. You can see how many lower highs we've had consistently here, just continuously creating lower highs, and then here are the lower lows continuously heading downwards here. So as we start to fill in this gap, as we start to consolidate, we are paying attention to the current price point. This is broken out. That's okay. You can kind of see that we were on another uptrend right here. We did break down from that and started to correct. But on the daily charts, you can see we are still well within our descending fractal here. This descending broadening wedge is still holding on very securely. And you can see here that we are retesting at this moment the moving average. And the goal is to reverse up, break through price ceiling right here, and rally out. That is the true goal, the true intention that we are expecting to see take place, is to see that reversal and that rally happen. And hopefully it does. Truly, I hope we do see that, because everybody would be very happy. As you guys know, we have referenced the fact that we were probably going to see a head and shoulders pattern here. And you can see this is the first shoulder. Here's the head. This would be the future next shoulder, and then the neckline in green. And truly, it would all align very well. Like, let's say we consolidate back down. We break out, we come back down, and then we dump. This would indicate that the descending broadening wedge caused a bullish rally here. Obviously nothing like insane. And then we'd follow by the correction and then the dump into the bear market, which I would truly think is what ideally the plan is. I've said it, I'll say it again, we're looking for this. This is the head and shoulders that we are all paying attention to, that we are expecting and anticipating here. So in the time being, once we get confirmation at any point above yellow resistance, we will be able to buy in and long it to the upside. It's that simple. It's that easy. That makes the most sense moving forward here, what we can expect to see take place within XRP. We'll do all these trades on Bydfi, because Bydfi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. We can buy long, we can sell short, we can leverage trade, we can take profits, we have stop losses. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on Bydfi, which is excellent if you ask me. So definitely make sure to take advantage of it ASAP. On top of that, they do, like we said, have this trading competition. But on top of that, they have a reward center where you guys can earn up to $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency by taking advantage of the sign-up rewards right over here, up to 8K, which is insane. $100 to anyone that decides to sign up right here. They have daily rewards that reset every single day, exclusive rewards, hot rewards, and then they even have a demo trading account, which gives you 50 grand in demo money right here for you guys to practice trading your skills, learn how Bydfi exchange works, learn how to create trailing stop losses, take profits. Like, why fool around and learn the exchange with real crypto when you can do it for free with their demo funds? I mean, think about it. It makes the most sense here to be able to do that. Obviously, I have too much in the balance here, but you guys can obviously figure that out. Once you lose it all or whatever, you practice trading, you can get more instantly funded back into that demo account here. It doesn't get any better than this. Learn the exchange, then head over to the live account. The best part about the live account is you can use that demo money right here, you can use your bonus wallet money and all the bonus crypto, like anything profit-wise off the bonus crypto, you can withdraw completely free, which is excellent too. They have, I think that's pretty much it. But on the USDT, you can see they have XRP for you guys to leverage trade. We've been tracking XRP for a while now. It keeps resetting. I don't know why, but you can see we're tracking this beautiful descending fractal here. And once we get that confirmation of a breach above this blue support or the blue resistance, we'll know when to be buying and longing. But right now, we're just kind of consolidating right here. So once we get this confirmation, we'll buy in and long it to the upside. But aside from XRP, looking at Solana here, we are consolidating out. I was wondering if we could like tweak this in any sort of which way to make it make more sense, but it really doesn't for the most part here. Like, truly, I don't see a perfect line, which makes me believe like that we could have already have broken out of it here. I truly do think that's the case. Like, if we go to Solana on Bydfi, again, I don't think it's that accurate. I think we did trend out of it, unless this starts to make more sense, but it doesn't, because it looks like we did officially break through that resistance. You can see the beautiful downtrend that we've been in, and this is the first time we've actually breached it, like fell through it, which is crazy. That was not something we were expecting. But with that being said, the fact that we're now trending on top of it here, I do believe now is a good thing. And the fact that we hit this bottom support, which you can see we've done consistently all the time, right here, right here, right here, and here we are doing it again. What we are looking for is a rebound back up to moving average. That's the ideal goal level that we're expecting to see. Ethereum consolidating out above this downtrend, good chance it will rebound up. Bitcoin too, we're looking for us to consolidate, or at least to climb back up to here. We can see if that chart even makes sense. Start to tweak this a little bit here. Move this down a hair, and that still is in line. That looks okay as we consolidate back up. And then lastly, we have QQQ in the stock market. You can see these trends are still within its descending fractal. QQQ is consolidating down. So it was a good buying opportunity here to start nibbling into the market. But otherwise, I would expect to see possibly a rebound back up, or we're going to continue to dump. Same thing with the stock market. Clearly rejected. This could cause us to start to correct back down. It's very possible. It's extremely possible that this is what we could very easily expect to see take place. And if we do fall down here, well, then we'll buy back in at a huge opportunity. Getting the market 20-30% off would be incredible. But that's it for today's video. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.